Welcome to the Cisco APIC AppIQ application overview. AppIQ and AppDynamics work together to assist the user to map each application to a recommended APIC endpoint and allows the user a visual overview of the running state of those configurations. Once the AppIQ has been enabled, click on your AppDynamics tenant and the AppIQ tab on the far right of the menu bar to log in. Here you can see in this list of applications the option to select Details, Mapping, and View. Mapping shows you all the endpoints on APIC so that you can display all the endpoints that correspond to the AppD controller, where you can add and remove endpoints from your list. Details gives you a tabular view of each endpoint, how it corresponds to each EPG, its health, and to which tier it belongs. View gives a hierarchical or tree view of the application profile, endpoint groups, endpoints, and nodes. Here you can see the health of this node which is running on this endpoint. The bold text here represents the tier of the endpoint. The text in the bracket is the name of the endpoint in ACI. When you hover over the icon, you see information about the endpoints, the way it's connected to the fabric, service endpoints that have been exposed, and the health of this particular endpoint. Now, going further up into this tree, we can go into endpoint group information. You can see information about the tiers, BD, VMM domain, tier health, VRFs, nodes, as well as the contracts of this endpoint group. Along with that, you see this number 2 or 3. This means that 2 endpoints are part of this application, and the third endpoint is an application unmapped endpoint, which you can see here. Going even further up the tree, you see the application profile, which again gives you information about the application health, along with how it corresponds with AppIQ in bold, and the name of the app profile in ACI in brackets. Each of these icons is encircled with the color corresponding to its health. Here in the health legend, you can see that green represents normal health, yellow represents a warning, and red shows that health is in a critical state.